Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a simple half up, half down hairstyle in under 1 minute. To start, we're going to gather the crown section of the hair and tie this into a ponytail at the back of the head. And then just loosen up by pinching and pulling the hair at the crown. Then we're going to pull up one strand of that elastic band and pop 2 fingers through the strand. Take that ponytail and I'm going to wrap it up and over the top of both fingers and then pull the ends through the middle. Pinch it together to hold it and start pulling it through the elastic bands. Don't pull it all the way through, just part way. You should have this nice little knot. And I'd like it a little bit messier, so I'm going to add some texture powder to the top of the head and again pinch and pull until you get the look that you want. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.